'Cause seeing you means calling you means all over roof again falling for you means sleepless nights me in my mind means craving the hit of you all the time. I can't even have a taste. I can't open up that game.
Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to look snatched. I don't know what that was, but yeah, I'm going to show you how to look very, I think that's the word, snatched. I don't think of any other word. Anyway, so of course I'm going to show you how I created this makeup look, and I'm pretty sure that I already did a makeup look very similar to this one, but this type of cat eye makeup look and also my hair very tight and slick into a high bun. You can do a ponytail, but I feel like a bun looks more, I don't know, more classy, more bitchy, if that makes sense. But I feel like the most part of the job does it the bun, because it's so high, so tight. I have to say that my head kind of hurts because this is so tight, so slick, and also I have like a lot of hairspray and foam in my hair. I cannot wait to wash this, but it's pretty secure. It feels very tight, very tight. So I feel like putting your hair up into a bun or a ponytail, as I said, lifts your eyebrows and your eyes, like this area right here, and you feel snatched. And I guess that's it for this intro. So I guess that's it for this intro. And also I forgot to film the part where I applied my foundation. I did mix two foundations today. I used the LA Girl Pro Coverage foundation and then the Maybelline 24-hour Super Stay foundation. And also I added a little bit of this Flawless filter, and I expected this filter to add more luminosity to this concoction, but it didn't. Like, I don't know, it feels pretty okay on my face, but it's not like very luminous, if that makes sense. And also I didn't set my entire face with powder, so yeah, that's that. In today's video I'm going to shout out Beauty Glow Getter. Thank you so much for your support and for your kind comments. And yeah, if you want to be mentioned in my videos, just be subscribed to the channel and stay active in the comment section. And also go and follow me on Instagram, because as you see I'm doing shoutouts from there as well. So yeah guys, if you want to see how I achieved this snatched makeup look, then keep on watching. Alright, so I'm prepping my lids for the eyeshadows, and it's been a hot minute since I played with the Latte palette, so I wanted to use it for this makeup look. I'm picking the shade Caramel, and this will be my transition shade, and I'm going to slowly build up this color. Then I'm going to take the color next to Caramel. I feel like I'm saying so wrong. Caramel. Okay, whatever. So I'm picking Hazelnut, and I'm going to create this cat eye shape, kinda. You will see in a second. And I don't really like this brush. I feel like it's a little bit too pointy for my liking, but I kept using it, so yeah. And as I always say in my videos, don't forget to blend. That's the secret, you guys, the blending. Next I'm going to take a clean brush and I'm going to blend some more, because I really want this to look as blended as possible. Next I'm going to take the color Vintage. This is from the Daisy, Marquez and BH Cosmetics collaboration, and I'm going to apply just a little bit of this color, but it gives that to the makeup look. You will see. And by the way, how stinking cute is this song? I found it on halodematic.com. If you make YouTube videos, definitely check them out because they have some bomb music you can use in your videos because it's non-copyrighted music. So yeah, thank me later. Next, I'm going to take cocoa and I'm going to darken out just a little bit that outer edge, whatever you want to call it. So I feel like there's not much to explain about this makeup look so far. Easy peasy. Going back with the hazelnut color, I'm going to blend a little bit more those colors, and next I'm going to take the clean brush again and I'm going to blend even more. Next I'm going to wet my brush and I'm going to mix two shades together, two shimmery shades. I'm going to take Macchiato from the Latte palette and Stunt from the Daisy palette, and I'm going to mix them together, and then I'm going to create this cat crease, whatever you want to call it. And as you can see, I didn't use concealer to cut the crease. I'm amazed.
Can't open up that game.
And because I didn't use concealer to cut the crease, you know, the cut crease is not as defined, but I'm going to take this sparkly gel and I'm going to apply it right where the cut crease is, so I can hide that is not perfect. You know, this is the trick you have to do. And next I'm going to do a winged liner because I feel like it's very appropriate for this makeup look, and also a wing liner, it kind of lifts your eyes, if that makes sense. With a makeup wipe, I'm cleaning a little bit below that wing liner to make it look a little bit more clean. And I guess that's it for the eye makeup for now. Next, I'm going to do the face makeup, and as I said in the intro, I forgot to film the part where I applied the foundation. That's okay. So right here I'm doing a cream contour, and I don't know why I decided to do that because I haven't done a cream contour in a while. By the way, I'm using the Wet n Wild Duo Contour Stick and I really love it.
Ran into you at the drugstore, you were picking up your prescription. It's funny cause I got addicted to you when we were in love, and even though you broke it off, I struggle with it like you were a bottle of pills. I wish I could give in to my dependency.
For concealer, I am using the Essential High Coverage from Jouer, and also I'm going to highlight the bridge of my nose because I cream contoured. I totally don't know how to do this, but I'm still learning. And to set the concealer, I'm using this Beauty Bakery powder. As you can see, it's brand new. I haven't used this before and I don't know how to feel about it. I guess I have to play a little. Oh, okay. I guess I have to play a little bit more with this powder, but so far not bad, not bad.
I could give in to my dependency, but I move on because I know it's bad for me. 'Cause seeing you means calling you, means all over again falling for you, means sleepless nights, me in my mind, means craving the hit of you all the time.
Next, I'm going to set my cream contour and I'm using my Maybelline baked powder. This is that good. Like, you have no idea how good this is. You have to try it. It adds a little bit of shimmer on top of the skin and it makes it look so beautiful, so summery. So nice. With a little bit of translucent powder, I am going to clean a little bit below my contour. And next, I'm going to set my entire face with this Morphe setting spray because we want to melt all the powders to make it look like skin, you know. And of course, you need highlight. I'm using the Hustler Baby from Fenty.
'Cause seeing you means calling you, means all over again falling for you, means sleepless nights, me in my mind, means craving the hit of you all the time. I can't even have a taste, I can't open up that game.
Back on the eyes, I'm starting with hazelnut, so I'm going to lightly apply that all over my bottom lash line, and right on top I'm going to go with cocoa. So nothing fancy for the bottom lash line. I like to keep it simple, easy peasy.
It's funny cause I got addicted to you when we were in love, and even though you broke it off, I struggle with it like you were a bottle of pills. I wish I could give in to my dependency.
I added a little bit of mascara and this is how it looks with just mascara, but you know me, I'm going to apply some lashes. If you want to skip the lashes, well, you do you. I'm going to apply the Lavio lashes in the style Kyoto. And for the lips, first I'm going to line them with this BH Cosmetics liner, and then I'm going to go with the ColourPop lipstick. I think it's in the shade Ariel, if I am not wrong. I don't know, I'm going to list everything down below.
I can't open up that game. I can't open up. Every time that I see you online, I wanna drop you a line.
And to make the lips look more juicy, I'm going to apply this lip gloss right in the center.
Getting my feelings too fast, then I'm hurting when you don't write me back. I wish I could give in.
Alright, and this is the finished look. I have to say that I feel very snatched. Okay, I have to mention that I can't put these lashes on. I don't know what's going on. These are in the style Barcelona. It was my second try to put them on in today's video. These are brand new, never used before. The band is very thick, so I gave up. I spent like 10 minutes to apply my lashes and then I said, you know, screw it, I'm going to go with my trusty ones. These are also from Lavio, but these are in the style Kyoto. I don't know, they are so easy to apply, it's like crazy, but for some reason I wanted to apply the Barcelona ones because they are so wispy. They are a little bit more long and more wispy and more fluffy, but I can't. I don't know what's going on. I can't, and I trimmed them and I made them shorter to make it easier to apply, but I can't. Okay, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below, what do you think? This makes me look snatched. I don't know. I feel like it's mostly the bun, but also this cat eye makeup effect makes me look snatched. I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what I'm trying to say. I don't even know what the heck. Yeah, I don't know. Let me know down below, what do you think? So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care and I will see you in my next one. I have lash glue on. What's going on? Let me take some